Hi, I'm Miriam. I'm going to be introducing Angie to you. Imagine this. You have a vision for your site, a custom interaction, a unique layout, a widget that does exactly what your project needs. You open Angie, describe what you want to create, and watch Angie Code build fully custom and editable, production-ready WordPress assets. It's your WordPress developer on demand. And you don't need to imagine it, you can try it out today. Let's see it in action. Open Angie Code from your WordPress or Elementor top bar. Start a conversation. Describe what you want to build using one of 3 input methods. I can either write it out in plain language, create a before and after image comparison slider with a draggable handle for a portfolio site. I search for my newly created image comparison widget. Now I drag it onto the page and select the images I want to use. I'll style the handle and background color and click Publish. Now it's on my site, ready for viewers. Or I can upload a design mockup or reference from another site. Angie analyzes the visual elements and translates them into functional code. Here's my image reveal menu widget. I drag it onto the page, edit the content, style it, and now it's live, looking beautiful on my site. I can also share a link to a component I like. I actually love this moving gallery we have on Elementor.com, and I want to recreate it on my own website. I'll paste this URL, give some additional instructions to what I want Angie to build, and Angie does the rest. You can see Angie created this new widget called Moving Gallery, and now I can also add my own images, change the rotation speed, and even change direction. To achieve this double moving gallery, I just dragged in 2 of these widgets. You can also get inspired by a variety of helpful use cases by visiting our prompt library, accessible by clicking the prompt library button in Angie, or by going to prompts.elementor.com. There really is no limit to what you can create with Angie Code. Let's see a few examples. I really like this prompt from the prompt library. I'll create a custom Elementor timeline widget that I can edit in the editor. I drag the widget onto the page and edit the timeline information. I can also style it, resize it, and change the fonts. There it is. It looks really great. Interactive website snippets to keep visitors engaged. WordPress admin snippets to create personalized views or custom user roles. Visual apps, like questionnaires, calculators, and other unique types of functionality. Here's a beautiful form for our chef, customized to gather all the information needed to create the perfect meal for customers. And even custom post types and fields, all by just describing it to Angie. Let's create a custom post type to manage our client portfolio. Angie prepares the backend for us, and all we have to do is add the information about the client and the project. We can add images to show off the visuals, and it's all structured intuitively and ready to use. What you and Angie created only goes live when you are ready, ensuring you're only launching new assets that will add value to your site. As we all know, with AI, you don't always get exactly what you want on the first try. I encourage you to iterate and refine your output by describing to Angie what you want to modify or add until you're happy with the outcome. I know that one of the biggest concerns in adding custom code directly to WordPress is that it might break something. Angie Code eliminates that fear architecturally. Nothing touches your live site until you explicitly approve it. Anything you create with Angie Code is created in an isolated, sandboxed test mode environment, so you always stay in control and your site stays stable. When you're ready, publish the asset to your live website. All the assets you create can be found in the snippet screen, located under the Angie menu in WordPress. It's important to note that Angie Code and all its snippets are only visible and accessible to users with admin-level permissions. Soon, we'll also add a new cloud library for assets you create with Angie, so you can reuse your creations across your sites. We're just getting started with Angie. This is the beginning of a new era in building WordPress websites, one where the gap between having the idea and having it on your site has never been smaller. Angie is available in the WordPress repository and is free to get started. We're excited for you to try it out, and please make sure to let us know your feedback.